everybody, it's me Pam here at Lady Pug Kisses Stamp Studio. So I'm coming today to do a card. It's a super cute card too. I'm going to use this stamp set that I got in the other day called Little Dreamers. I don't know which one I'm in love with more, the little cow or the elephant or the little lion or the squirrel, but we're probably going to use a few of them. So let's see here. It also comes with dies, or you can get it with dies. So I highly recommend that. So let's get our slicer dicer out real quick. I've got just about everything cut already, but oops, that's not the way. I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed. I got everything cut, but I don't have things, I don't have them, what do you call it, scored. So first of all, you can use a regular punch, you can use your crocodile, you can do whatever you want, but I actually got out my like little scalloped edge. So what I am going to do is I am going to take it and I am going to, I do like it because it's just slides right in. Oh, sorry, I have an itch in my eye. Slides right in. And you can make everything perfect. So actually I want the whole thing, so that's what I'm going to do. So then I'm going to just punch that out. So that's all. That's all. But I just want that. So I'm going to put this away because I don't need that anymore. So we've got this done here. This is cut to, I know this one, 9 inches by 2 inches. Yes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to score it. We're scoring. So we're going to score it 2 inches. And then we're going to score again at 2 3/4 of an inch, 2 3/4 of an inch. Not cutting, Pamela, we're not cutting. And then we're going to do it again at 3 1/2. I'm trying to remember my everything. 3 1/2, and then again at 4 1/4. 4 1/4. There we go. This is thick basic white, and you're going to need thick paper. So now we've got these all scored. So now what we're going to do, and I believe I scored, yeah, I believe I did. So I don't think we're going to need this anymore. So let's just get that out of our way. Okay. So now we're going to get our bone folder, and we're going to put our punch side over here. Oh, it is. And we're going to just, we're going to actually reinforce all these, but first we're going to get them folded, and then we're going to just reinforce our score lines. So my little male pug thinks he's Aqua Pug. we bought him little life jackets for the pool, and he just loves it. He just thinks it's the best thing ever. You put him in the pool now, and he just goes circle, 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 circle. Oh, you're so cute. Alrighty, so now that we've got this one done, we're gonna set it aside. Actually, no, we're not. We're gonna put something here. So where's our stamp set again? So I'm thinking I'm going to send this to my granddaughter. So I think I'm going to use Little Baby Big Love. Just because. So Little Baby Big Love. And I'm gonna get this on my acrylic block. She's not necessarily a baby anymore, but I still love her. So we're gonna get this, and I'm using some really pretty colors. It is a retired color, and it's a retired cardstock, but or designer series paper, but you can do this with anything. So little baby big love. So I'm just gonna kind of center this in here. And I think I want some of those pretty little stars, since I'll show you what I've got going on over here. So I'm actually gonna leave that. And I'm gonna get this, no. I think I want, okay, the little shooting star. I think that one would be cute. Alrighty, so, and I think I might do it with black memento. No, I think I want this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it this one. Alrighty, so. There we go. And now to add just a little bit to that, I'm gonna get my Wink Stella, which is just a glitter pen, and it is going to, it's gonna bleed, I hope. I'm like, I hope. It is bleeding, which is exactly what I wanted. So, I wanna bring some of that. What color did we use? Mango Melody. And right there. And then I think I'm gonna do this big star as well. I think once it dries, it's harder to make it bleed, but that's okay. This is the part I really wanted it to bleed. So the quicker you work with it, the better. if you want the bleeding. Alrighty. So now we've got that done. So now we are going to put that aside, and we're gonna have 4 of these. I cut my pieces a little differently than the person that I got the idea from. I cut mine to 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. And then this particular one I cut to 2 inches, which I believe is the exact same measurement they did. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our acrylic blocks, and I'm gonna need a bigger one than that for that one. So we're gonna get this little guy. I made a card for my sister too, and I'll show you it in a few minutes. She's too busy. She won't like watch this. So, so and if she does, she'll be like, oh, cute card. But, yeah. So there's this one. And then I think I might want the little cute little cow too. They're just so cute. I had to use the Stampin'Up on my last card because it was photopolymer, but I won't have to on this one. So I think I'm gonna bring in some Coral Calypso. This color is still available though. Yes. Of course, wait a second. Maybe not. Maybe I want the black memento ink. That way I can color them. So here's what I'm doing is I'm taking my, oops, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a piece of scratch paper here and put it down here. That way, I know that I'm gonna go off of this paper. Just put it that way. Flip that over. There we go. And I'm gonna just get my cow. I think I want my cow to look like it's down here, laying on the ground. The whole image is not gonna fit on this, but that's okay. Isn't it cute? We're gonna set them aside. And we're gonna get our next little square. And I'm gonna get our lion. So cute. This lion is so adorable. And then I think, because he's floating in the air, right? I'm gonna take him down like that. Oh, so cute. All right, so now we've got that one. And now we're gonna do our elephants. And I might need another, actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna use the squirrel too. Because, just because. There's one more square. Okay, and then I'm gonna make my little elephant look like he's jumping. And then we'll get our, oh my gosh, it's so cute. This stamp set is just adorable. Alrighty. I do apologize, I didn't get all these on my little my little mounts, but that's okay. Alright, it's the first time I used them, so they are very sticky onto my stuff. But now I've got my little squirrel. Now this squirrel's gonna fit. He's gonna fit on the whole thing, I believe. Yep. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put him over here, because you see how he's got that cute net? I'll show you what I'm gonna do. All right, he's got that net, and then there is, hopefully it fits on here. Oh, come here. Here we go. And then there's these little cute stars. I'm gonna make him look like he's catching these stars. Like he's trying to catch those stars. Yes, oh, I made a halo. You see that? Hopscotch, double touch, flip it over, got another. We're just gonna flip that baby over, redo it, and this time we're just not gonna press as hard. Alrighty, so, and I'm gonna actually twist him just a smidge to make him look like he's like reaching up for those little stars in which we made the halo on the last one. We're not gonna do it again. One halo is enough. Okay, there we go. No halo. Very nice. Very nice. Alrighty. There we go. Now we're going to put our black memento ink away. Now that we've got a huge giant mess here, we're going to get all 4 of our little cards, and we're going to get some color. Let's see here. Oh boy. Pale papaya, that's a good one. I'm not sure what colors. Oh, coral calypso. Or calypso coral. Let's see here. And I think this one. And let's see here. This one here. Okay. Now, I think I want my elephant to be gray. I don't know why, but I want my elephant gray. So I'm gonna first color my elephant. Got his little tail, his little everything. Get them all colored up. I love our alcohol blending pens. It's one of my favorite. Oh, I hope my dog doesn't wake up my husband. Shh. Come on, guys. Shh. They're being bad. They're being so bad. Okay, so I don't know if you guys have like been listening, but I have fallen in love with this podcast, and it's called Crime Junkie, I think, and it is. I don't know. I have to say I'm very into murder porn. I don't know about you guys, but I am. So yeah, so I've been listening to that a lot, but yeah, my husband thinks I'm weird. We just celebrated our 34th wedding anniversary on the 5th. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that we've been married for 34 years, right? So, where's mine? There it is. It looks like that's the tail, and this one here is a leg. There we go. Yes. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my darker one, and I'm going to come in here and get some shading. And then we'll blend it out just a smidge when we're done. There we go. Down here as well, I think. It's like you just can't go wrong with these alcohol blending pens. It's like they're foolproof. Or should I say pan-proof? Yes, that's it. They're pan-proof. Now, my puppy over here, she's eating her cheese stick. Oh, no, I shouldn't be giving her any more cheese sticks because she seems to get all of them, even from her brothers. And, she's chunky. But there we go. I didn't come up with a history thing today. Sorry. But let me see if I can't come up with something. So let's do some of our melon or mango melody for our stars. There we go. Cute little stars in which our little squirrel is catching. There we go. And then I think I want my squirrel to be, let's go. Let's go with number 900 and 1,000. So let's go with the 900 first. These are skin tone ones. I mean, you don't have to use them. You could use a brown or whatever, but I just figured I wanted something soft because it's supposed to be a soft card, you know? So then I think I'm gonna go straight down the middle with this color, and then this one here, I'm gonna go in his eyes and down his back and here. No, he's so cute. He really is. But I think the so I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna do the Winka Stella on this because I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and make that bleed just a smidge. Where is my Winka Stella? There it is. Make that gray. Yeah, I think it's bleeding. If the ink is wet, it'll bleed a smidge. So it'll, yeah. There we go. I guess I'll leave that there. Alrighty, so I've got this one done. And now we're gonna color our little lion. And I think we're gonna do the star here. And this is dark. Oh yeah, let's do the dark. There we go. And then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here with this, the lighter one. Sure, my head is in your way. And I actually might. And then we've got this thing called the color lifter. I just want to put a little bit of it in the center to lighten it up. And you'll see it kind of lighten up a little bit. But I want to go back in here with the Wink Estella as well to give it a little bit of a shimmer like I've done the other stars. So because what little girl doesn't like a lot of shimmer? I mean, come on, we all love glitter. So now I think I want my lion to be pale papaya, because I think I want my cow to be the coral clips. I don't know. Yeah, I think. No, I think I want it to be coral calypso. I think I want my lion to be coral calypso and my yeah, I think I'll make it mellow and mane. Yeah. Alrighty, so let's go with the darker one first. And we're gonna do its mane here. But yeah, like I was saying, I really didn't think about my history question today. Or my history lesson, should I say. But I'll give you a little bit of morbid history that you might find a little disturbing. But there was the Civil War, I believe it was. There was nights in which the soldiers would be in the fields, and those that were what's the word I'm looking for? Deceased, or even on the verge. You know, they're wounded. That's it. Wounded. Well, the wild boar. All the other soldiers can hear were these wounded soldiers just screaming and crying in agony because these boars were not only like eating the dead, but those that were wounded. Yeah, pretty sick, huh? Part of American history that is probably not the best. All right, so I'm gonna go back in here with my my 1000, I think. Yeah, my 1000, and I'm gonna do, ooh, not that one. I'm gonna do his face and his belly with it. So there we go. Oh, I think those look cute together. I really do. I haven't used the skin tones that much. I really should. So I think I like that color, but I think I want to blend out the mane a little bit more. Because I see lines and I don't want very many lines. I want it to be kind of like where you can't tell. Where I put those lines. Does that make sense? I hope so. So, I mean, if it doesn't look right, go back and put some more. That's all you have to do. That's the beauty of the Stampin' Blend markers. You can blend anything out. So you can make anything look good. So, there we go. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, so we've got those three done. Now we're gonna work on our little cow. And I'm honestly wanting to think that I'm not sure. I think I want it to be this color because we've got the card base is this color. So we're gonna do the light. Alrighty, so let's see here. I think I want that. Yeah. We'll do two different colors. We'll do the other one too, yeah. And then I think I want this one here. There we go. Now, wait a second. I think I want the 1000. No, that's pale papaya. But yeah, wait, maybe. Let's see here. How well does pale papaya? Oh shoot, my pale papaya is very light. Oh, you know what? Wait a second. I think I want right here. That color. Now, I think I want his little hooves to be pale papaya. And his little face. Or her. Could be a her. Little face. Okay. And then I want the light one. Over here. There we go. And now I'm gonna try and do that. I don't know if it'll work though. And I don't think I've got the pin in this one, so, but we're gonna try it anyhow. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna try it real quick. Nope, it's not gonna let me. That's okay, that's okay. We're still gonna use it, but I think I'm just gonna like go and add in some color here and there, just kind of trace them. That way he's got that hair up there, those little, I just love it. It's just the cutest little cow. Okay. And then I think we will finish him off with our Wink Estella. I know, it's not bleeding, but that's all right. I just wanted him to have some glitter, like he's shining. And I think I just want it on the white, not on the rest of the calf. I'm thinking it's a calf. Alrighty, so I want a little bit of glitter on this one too. I think this one I'm just going to kind of like trace. Yeah, that's what I'll do. There. Gave it just enough to give it like some character. All right, so yeah, that's me. Just shove it out of the way. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue, and we've also got some of the Mango Melody, but you can use any color you want. And it's 2 by 2. So what we're going to do is we're just going to adhere them onto there. Oops, no. Oh, thank goodness. It did not get on my elephant. Nope, it didn't. Whew, safe. Safe. There we go. And we're going to, and I made mine to where they have just 1/8 of a border. You can definitely do like the other did, and I think it's Lisa Curcio. She made it of 1/4 of an inch. I just wanted mine to have less. That way I can put more image onto the white cardstock. So there we go. But you can do it this way or you can do it that way. It doesn't really matter. I will put the cutting and scoring in the description below, as I always do. Also, I'm going to start doing the thing where I'm not going to do classes per se, but what I'll do is, if you'd like, you can buy the kits to make the one card, and then you can come back and watch this later if you'd like. And what would happen is it would be $5 shipped for enough to make your one card. So you'll get an envelope, the supplies to make the card, and then you would just come back to this video is all. Exactly, just that simple. Alrighty, so we're not going to use this one anymore. We're pretty much done with the liquid glue. We're going to use, oh, I just bent my pen, damn it. I've got more. I've got a bunch. I buy them because I like the stainless steel pens, because straight pens, because they don't rust. And yeah, so I'll just get another one later. Alrighty, so you'll also, and you could just stop with this piece. You don't have to have this piece. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Brad's, and I don't know where I got them. I do have them. I just have to find them. Wait. Yeah, I've got some Brad's. Yeah, alrighty. So you can take and use just glue. You don't have to take and use Brad's like me, but a few years ago, I had went to Michael's, I believe it was, and Michael's craft store had these really adorable Brad's, and they're stars, and I've got them in different colors, but I think that this color is going to be the color I'm going to use. And that's how I'm going to adhere it together. So here's what if you don't want to use the brads like I'm doing, you can definitely skip it and just use glue or adhesive. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to take my bone folder, in which I shoved over here when I shoved everything out of my way because that's the way I roll. And I am going to just reinforce my score line here. And I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to use my, I don't know about that one. I think I just want to use my regular Stampin' Seal. There it is. Isn't that a pretty one too? That's the one I used for my sister's card, but because we're using the stars on here, I thought the stars would be cuter. So I'm gonna just use my Stampin' Seal. So I'm just going around. You see that? Okay. And I am going to put this here. And I've got, again, I like to work with 1/8 of an inch border. There we go. You can definitely do 1/4 of an inch. That's really cool too. Now I'm going to take this, and I've got this cut to the size of the DSP. You can do whatever you want, however you'd like, but actually I think I want it this way because I stuck it down to where there's more of a border up there. So, alrighty, so this particular piece is going to be what's going to hold our card together. So we're going to put that aside for now. We don't want to work with that yet. What we're going to do is we're going to get this part here. Alrighty. So now, this is how Lisa did it. So she wrote 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the reason she did that was because now you're going to have to decide how you want this to flip. So which one of these do you want to be the first of your card, and which, you know, so I'm thinking I want this little guy to be number 1, but I think I want this little guy to be down here. So let's get our, there it is. Yeah, we're gonna just use this. All right, so just, boy, okay. Just get your, there we go. You can tell I don't use this very often. Alrighty, there we go. There you go. Get all of that there. I'm gonna just put adhesive down here. So I'm gonna line them up to the score line and press down. We only need adhesive right here. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna, whoops, that's okay, that's okay. I'll just roll it off. There we go. We're gonna put some there, but not yet. Then I'm gonna take our cute little elephant and I put her, actually, no, I think I want the cow. I think I want this little calf here. I'm gonna take our calf and we're gonna line her up there. And then again, we're gonna go here. And we're gonna take our little cute elephants just to the score line. That's it, press down. And this is our number 1. This is the one that people are gonna see first and foremost. And I just thought that star would just be so adorable to show off with the little lion. There we go, there. And that is gonna be it. But now we're putting this away. This is not Stampin' Seal Plus. I mean, this is not the Stampin' Seal Plus, but we're not even gonna use Stampin' Seal Plus. We need something super strong now. Shh. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring in my tear and tape. I know, our tear and tape. So what we're gonna do, is I'm gonna, first of all, I'm gonna get, is this one? No, I want something smaller, so this one. I'm gonna get my super, super small hole punch, right? But I'm gonna take my pencil, and I don't know if you can see that. Oh, I'll do it right here. Okay, I'm gonna take my pencil, and I am going to come up here. So this is an inch. I want it to be about right here. So I'm gonna, yes, use your grid paper. You're gonna need to. Alrighty, so here's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I am going to line it up here. And then I am going to go right. No, I want it to go down. I don't want to mess up. Alrighty, so I'm doing it about 3/8 of an inch. So 1 3/8. So we're gonna do here, and then I am going to again what I'm doing here is I'm lining it up over here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a little mark over here, just a little tick mark. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my punch. If you're better at this, oh, I'm so happy. Actually, is that straight? I'm not sure if it's straight or if I've got them right. You know what? I didn't. That's okay. You know what I'll do? Is I'll see here. Not that one. Not that one. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is push it up to this one over here. There. And then there. All right. So now I'm gonna cover those dots. You see that? You see how I've covered them? So you're not even gonna see them. Did I not get that? Oh, that's okay. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take this and I'm going to punch my holes. Because this is what's going to be holding our mechanism in. And I did that on purpose because I got it too far down here. Yeah, so, yeah. Oh no, did I just drop that all the way onto the ground? I did. That's all right. I've got the other one right here, and I'll just grab another one. All right. See, there's no mistakes in card making. You can always make things cute. You just have to be mindful when you're doing it, like me. Or help, yeah. Now, I'm gonna get my little brad in here, just like that. Like I said, that's gonna hold my little thing together. And I really don't think I'm gonna find that brad, but I'm gonna look for it anyhow for a quick second. No, that's all right. I do have another one right in here. I'll find it tomorrow. Hopefully my dog doesn't eat it. I say that because my dog eats everything. Oh boy, okay, here we go. Is that the right color? Yeah. Great. Again, we're gonna line up our holes. And we're gonna stick our brad in there as it comes back out. There we go. Stay in your home, stay. You don't have to, but I actually just like to put a little bit of tape on the back of my brads so they don't move too much. So, there we go. Now, at this point, I could use my Stampin' Seal. Not you. I like my Stampin' Seal Plus. I don't know why, but the Stampin' Seal Plus, because it comes off in like little tabs, to me works better. I could be wrong. So there we go. There we go. Now, we're gonna adhere this onto our thick basic white cardstock here. And again, I did 1/8 of an inch border. You can definitely do a different border. Now, I've got this pretty ribbon. I don't know where I got it, but I got it somewhere. And we are going to come here and we're gonna, actually, let's see here, where's my scissors? Now, let's thread this through here and then snip those off. I don't like the way that was anyhow. So now, here's how it's gonna work, okay? So now we're gonna take this and we're going to, I use my bone folder to kind of give me a little in down here. So we're just gonna run this through here like that. All right, now, where's our tear and tape? There it is. So now I'm gonna take my tear and tape because I told you we needed something stronger than the Stampin' Seal Plus. Yeah, I know. You're thinking, what? Stronger than Stampin' Seal Plus? Yes, stronger than Stampin' Seal Plus. So there's, we got that. I'm gonna just put 3 little strips here. Come on. Just using my fingernail. Even though I used to have, oh, there it is. I've got these. I like these really cheap, or you can even use your paper pumpkin. It's awesome. It just like makes a straight line. If you don't like to fiddle with things like I don't. Now, I'm going to just kind of push that on there. And then I'm gonna take and get my original, the original, take your pick. Okay, it's one of the older ones. I like it though, I still use it. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna just take these off. Oh, and the last one here as well, come on. There we go. Now, we've got that taken off. Now, I want it to be still in. So here's, so I want it to be straight. Alrighty, so I want it to be straight. I want it to be centered, but I don't want it to lay off of my card down here. So now I'm just kind of, and then what we're gonna do is we're just going to come down here like this. We're gonna press. Okay, now, you guys wanna see the magic of this card? Watch this. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Isn't that adorable? That is what they're calling a waterfall card. Isn't it cute? Now I'm going to show you the one I made for my sister. So you can do a lot of signing and stuff inside. So where's that one I made my sister? It's super cute too. I used those cats that were in the last mini to make my sisters. And of course, like I said, I used the other side. And this one I didn't use brads. I used the double-sided tape, the tear and tape. I did that here because, like I said, you need something super strong. So, and then, like I said, this is so kitties. I was like, oh my gosh, she loves cats. And see, and then I'm like, hello, sis. So, and there's this family stamp set that we have that's got aunts, mothers, daughters, blah, 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 blah. It had sister, but I decided to like mask it off just to use the sis. So, and it says, I love hanging out with you. I do. I love hanging out with my sister. And that's why you need something super strong, because people are going to play with this. They're going to play with it. They're not going to just like put it in a drawer. They're going to play with it. So, like I said, if you want to be able to make your own card like this, it's $5. I mail it to you. Like I said, I mail it to you. That includes shipping, and it includes all the supplies to make the card. Just message me and you'll get your envelope and everything. So you can make your own cute little waterfall card. You'll just have to come back to maybe this video or different person's video, but it's super cute and easy. Alrighty, so you guys just take and have an amazing day. And hopefully you can sleep now that I mentioned what happened during the Civil War. Okay, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, bye guys. Hey, that's nice.